Reading Pioneers is proud to present Hedgehog Heart by James Antonio and Nikki Slade Robinson. Here's my new friend Michael. I love Michael. His heart reminds me of something, but I don't know what. Sometimes you know a person's heart. For example, Daddy's heart is a grizzly bear. He gives the biggest bear hugs. Mummy's heart is an owl. She is so wise with her love. Grandma's heart is an elephant. Her love never forgets you. Granddad's heart is a cat. Shy at first, but then it purrs. Mr. Wilson's heart is a falcon, keeping the whole class safe in the nest. Aunt Claire's heart is a drooling dog. She gives us slobbery kisses. My sister's heart is a bird. It perches and sings up to the sky. Baby Juliet's heart is a puppy. Woof, woof. She wants all your love. Some people's hearts are octopuses. They hold you tight and are good to get tangled up in. My cousin Rachel's heart is a monkey. She is so cheeky to the people she loves. Can you guess what my friend Michael's heart is? I think I know. It's a hedgehog. Sometimes it curls up, afraid, in a spiky ball, and it's hard to get close. But slowly, slowly, it will uncurl, and then it forages around for pieces of love. And my heart is a lion, roaring my love out to everyone. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading with us today to the book Hedgehog Heart. I loved how each person in the story had its own animal heart that expresses love and care for others. To help support James, comment below what you think your animal heart is and why. Also, you can purchase your own copy of this book from the website link below, bookdepository.com. I'm so grateful that James requested for me to read his book, and if you are interested, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com. It would also be awesome to click the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the story, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated with future videos by Reading Pioneers. While waiting for the next upload, you can check out the playlist on the left of other books by rising authors, and on the right is our most recent uploaded Read Aloud. Thanks again, everyone, for reading with us today, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.